Dimples Romana nagsalita sa hiwalayang Angel Locsin Neil Arce. Totoo ba? Kailan babalik sa limelight? Ilang beses na napabalitang hiwalay na ang mag-asawang Angel Locsin at Neil Arce. Matatandaang hindi ito ang unang beses na nagsalita si Dimples tungkol sa kalagayan ng kanyang matalik na kaibigan. Mariing pinabulaanan ng kapamilya actress na si Dimples Romana ang balitang hiwalay na ang mag-asawang sina Angel Locsin at asawa nitong si Neil Arce. Ayon kay Dimples, happily married si Angel at alagang-alaga ito ni Neil. Sabi niya sa news, "I get to see her naman, she's very, very happy and happily married, and Neil is taking very good care of her." Nagbigay rin si Dimples ng kanyang pananaw ukol sa relasyon ng showbiz couples pagdating sa visibility sa social media. Hindi raw dapat husgahan ang mag-asawa porket hindi sila palaging nakikita sa social media. "The thing is, people are so involved with social media that we think if we don't see married people postang online together, parang hiwalay na sila," pahayag ni Dimples. No po, hindi ibig sabihin wala sa social media doesn't mean it's not happening. Dapat hindi rin daw ibase sa social media ang katatagan ng relasyon ng mag-asawa dahil ang pagiging hindi aktibo sa social media ay maaring maging positibo pa sa kanila. Aniya, sometimes a little off of social media can do you good. Kadalasan, sa social media pa galing yung frustrations mo, yung comparison mo with the life of others. And when you pause a little bit and know that not everything on social media can be helpful to you, you'll be able to recognize that you too can have a happy life, like Neil and Angel, na halos offline sila but they're very, very happy. Kailan naman kaya magbabalik si Angel sa showbiz ngayong halos 2 taon na itong hindi nakikita ng publiko? Sabi ni Dimples, "I can only wish that Angel will return because she's super much awaited all the time. Being offline and missing an act on social media has done her very well. She's so lighthearted and you just feel that she's very, very happy. So, once na mag-decide siya at pinagdadasal natin yun na malapit na yun, I'm excited that I get to work with her. But this time, we get to bondage hindi lang sa personal but sa work." November 2022, pinabulaanan na rin ni Neil ang mga pekeng balita sa social media, tungkol sa di umano'y hiwalayan nila ng asawang si Angel.